Threshold models are one explanation for the success or failure of the diffusion of innovations. This paper presents a new model for understanding the diffusion of innovations in social networks. The model is based on 4 commonly known adopter categories: early adopters, early majority, late majority, and laggards. The categories are ordered from quick to late adoption of new innovations. These 4 adapter categories are currently used for the entire social system, meaning the total potential market. However, the new model introduces the dimension of an individual's personal network. Within this model, they have created 4 thresholds that range from very high to very low. An individual having a high threshold means that he will adopt an innovator rather late compared to connections in his direct network. Here is an example of an individual personal network with the adoption of a CT scanner. This is Dr. McDreamy. His personal network consists of 5 other doctors, and as more individuals in the network adopt the CT scanner, the exposure to Dr. McDreamy increases. In the end, Dr. McDreamy adopted the CT scanner after all the other doctors in his personal network also adopted the CT scanner. This is an example of the entire social system. This is Dr. Gray. She is working in a private clinic and might buy a CT scanner 4 or 5 years after they are introduced into the market. Dr. Gray would be considered an early adopter of CT scanners. However, Dr. Gray is surrounded by colleagues and friends like Dr. Yang, who adopted CT scanners when they were first available on the market. Dr. Yang is an even earlier adopter of CT scanners. Dr. Gray, who adopted the CT scanner in year 4, is therefore considered to have a high threshold to adopt innovations because relative to her connections, she was actually quite late. We now indeed see that Dr. Gray is an early adopter, but she has a very high threshold. So who is more likely to be an opinion leader in the doctors' community? Even though Dr. Gray seems more innovative, as she adopted the CT scanner very fast, the study found that in this case Dr. McDreamy is more likely to be an opinion leader and exert external influence. This is because Dr. Gray is not consistent in her innovative behavior, since she is not on the red line. The red line represents individuals that show consistency in their innovativeness relative to the direct ties in the social system. Dr. McDreamy does show this consistency, and therefore people will see him more as a role model and are likely to imitate his behavior. The model in this paper is applicable to diverse data sets and can be used to show how external influence and opinion leadership affect the diffusion of innovations. The network thresholds created will allow businesses to better predict the diffusion pattern of their innovations and to identify opinion leaders and followers.